What's up, Facebook friends and family? This is Reginal Sr. I'm here with you. I'm going to show you the process in which I make designs, how the designs are cut, which materials I use, and the process in which the design goes onto the shirt. So here we go. Okay, so this is the design that we're going to be using today. Again, these colors are different because the material is going to be the same color. This is the Cameo 3 that I'm using to cut the material, to cut the design out through the different materials that I use. Again, I'm using Caesar Easy Wheat vinyl. So here we go. We're going to switch it up real quick. That beeping noise you see in the background is going to be my heat press. (2019), just like the design you see every day, every night. These are designs that you also see on the computer. Right, here we go. This is the third design. It's going to go on. Putting the moisture out of the shirt. Now that the shirt is set to 310 degrees. Press it for 15 seconds. Okay, I'm using this this sheet here. This allows the fabric to not be burnt. I'm going to set it for 15 seconds. You can start applying the heat transfer vinyl, each color, as it goes to the design, one by one. First one we're going to do is the fireworks, okay, because it's the biggest one, and everything plugs into it. So we'll measure it out, measure the sleeves. I have 4 fingers on each side, I have 4 fingers on top. That's how I make sure it's in the middle. We're always using our heat protective sheet to make sure the shirt doesn't burn, of course. Everything's lined up correctly. All that's left to do here is press it. Drop the heat press down on it. Give it the 15 seconds. And the creation begins. Thanks for hanging out with me. Again, Changedom will be rolling out here soon. As of right now, I've just been doing these side projects, making do. Heat absorber off here. These are hot peels, so you can peel it as soon as it comes out of the heat. And the design is there on the shirt now. Okay? So we have one design. So this is what it looks like with the first design, heat pressed on. Now for the second design. Alright, place it back on the heat press deal here. So every day and every night we're going to be celebrating 2019. If you don't drink, cool. As long as you celebrate. Quality over quantity. So one thing at a time, of course. Oh, that's a good look right there. So now, heating protective sheet, we'll put it there and place it down for, put the heat press down for another 15 seconds. And here we go. 15 seconds rolling. I'll leave some information in the end so you can contact me if you need any services done. Hot peel. Hot peel. All right. So this is the second design. The first and the second design. This is celebration. Our 2019 template is the last one. It's going to go on to make it more celebratory. Now that everything's in its place, heat protective sheet, and put it on top of this design. And go ahead and put the design right down onto the shirt and complete the design. All right, 15 more seconds. All right. The last one. And this is gonna make the shirt for 2019. Talk to you guys later in the next video.